Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Nikita Baron Esplana. I am 35 years old. I live in Zone 1, Binitayan, Daraga, Albay, and I am single.
Do you have kids?
No,
How many siblings do you have?
I only have one and I am the firstborn.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college graduate with a bachelor's degree of computer science at AMA Computer College, Legazpi City.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No,
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
yes, I worked for 2 years with one family, and my duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing, marketing.
How would you describe yourself?
I would describe myself as a hardworking and patient, also honest.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because first, I want to help my family. Second, I also want to share my knowledge and work experiences I have acquired here in the Philippines.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will breathe first and act calmly. I will talk to them also in a calm voice and ask them what do they want or what do they need to address the situation.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, you can trust me and I promise to be hardworking and help you with your everyday needs inside your house, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.